Ever wondered about the amazing places we call home? Welcome to our ultimate house tour. First, the cozy cottage, small, sweet, and perfect for a quiet life in the countryside. Then there's the skyscraper, reaching for the clouds in the heart of the busy city. Check out this grand mansion. It's got plenty of room for everything you can imagine. Ever lived on the water? A houseboat is the perfect home for those who love to drift. For those who want to feel like royalty, nothing beats a grand stone castle. Brrr! An igloo is a cozy, rounded home made of ice and snow in the chilly Arctic. A log cabin is the ultimate retreat, built right into the heart of nature. The farmhouse is where the action is, surrounded by fields, animals, and open space. A lighthouse home offers a 360-degree view of the ocean, keeping ships safe at night. Apartment buildings bring people together, creating vibrant communities in the city. Who wouldn't want a beach villa? Sun, sand, and the sound of the waves right outside. Victorian houses are full of character, with beautiful details and classic charm. Modern minimalist homes focus on clean lines and simple spaces for a calm lifestyle. The yurt is a traditional circular home, designed to be cozy and portable across the steps. Adobe houses are made of earth and straw, keeping things cool even in the desert heat. Tiny houses prove that you don't need much space to live big, with everything you need. A mountain chalet is the perfect spot to warm up after a day on the slopes. The penthouse sits at the very top, offering luxury and incredible views of the city. Cave houses are carved right into the rock, staying naturally cool and blending in. A teepee is a brilliant portable home, shaped to shed rain and stay warm in the winter. Longhouses were built to house entire extended families, creating a strong sense of community. Shipping containers get a second life as sleek industrial homes that are both cool and sustainable. The A-frame house is a design icon with its steep roof reaching all the way to the ground. Geodesic domes are incredibly strong and energy efficient, using geometry to create amazing space. Living in a windmill is a dream come true for those who love history and unique engineering. An underground bunker offers ultimate peace and quiet, tucked away safely beneath the surface. Earthships are built from recycled materials, designed to take care of you and the planet. And of course, the playful treehouse, the ultimate hideaway high up in the leaves. From teepees to earthships, home is wherever you make it. Which one would you move into today?